Hey guys, welcome to our channel Explore with My Eyes. This time we come with a new journey. Stay with us. We are going to the Blossom Resort that is in Chikmaglur, and it will take around 5 hours 12 minutes, and that's 275 kilometers from here, from Bangalore, and arrival is on 9:29. Yep, so stay with us and enjoy this video. Please give us a thumbs up and just subscribe our channel if you like this video. Thank you guys. Just enjoy the journey. We'll give you full review of this the Blossom Resort. Hey guys, this is 6:45. We just give a stoppage and just had our breakfast. It's a light breakfast. We got some burger from our home. Hey guys, we just reached Chikmaglur. This is 10 o'clock now. We'll just roam a couple of tourist spots. This is the Mahatma Gandhi Park. Hello guys, this is one of the prominent place in Chikmaglur. Nature Roast City. Hello friends, so we reached Hirekolale lake, and so calm. Look at this guys, it's so calm here, and the weather is so pleasant. That's the entrance. You can see at the end of this road, this is a dense forest. That's the end of this lake also, and you can see there is a small bridge. We'll go there, we'll see we can go inside or not. This is the end of the Hirekolale lake, and the view is really good. The lake is really calm. This is really enjoyable, and you should visit here. Hey guys, we are about to reach to our resort, the Blossom Resort. That's around 25 kilometers from the Chikmaglur main city. Now we are going, see, this is the right side. That's the Blossom. This is the entrance. That's the entrance. Left side I can see the parking lot. Yeah, that's the parking lot. That's a huge parking lot they have. Yeah, so the straight is the reception, you can see. That's the reception. Good afternoon. I have a booking. Please come down. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, only the other card?
Yeah, no?
Yeah, all meals.
This is actually that's a restaurant actually.
Okay.
See, that's buffet, total buffet.
Okay.
Okay, and totally we have 28 rooms
Okay.
over here. 28 rooms. You have to choose the Hillview room,
Yeah.
which is opposite to the hill.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Right. And the lunch timing is the meals timing. The lunch timing is around 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay, that's buffet system,
Mhm.
veg and non-veg.
Okay.
And coffee tea snacks is for 5:30 to 6:30.
Okay.
And
That will also be in your restaurant.
restaurant.
Okay.
And dinner 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock.
8 to 10.
That's
Okay.
on the restaurant. There's no restaurant.
Same
And
range.
morning breakfast is morning 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock a.m.
Okay.
That's the meals timing. And fire camp, we have the extra additional fire camp. Fire camp is done over there.
Okay, that side.
That's it.
Okay.
It's a fire camp. It's a
So-
public fire camp.
Okay. So that's additional cost or
That's
including? Okay.
And that's we have the pool over here.
Mm-hmm.
Pool timing is morning 8 o'clock to evening 6:30.
Okay.
It's a pool timing, but you should have a swimming
Yeah. Right.
costume. Everything
Mhm.
should be there. That's it. And that's a restaurant. Behind the restaurant, we have a shuttle court, archery court, and we have a rope game.
Yeah.
That's
I
a
saw
coffee
that.
package.
Okay.
Into the coffee package, we have a rope games. For rope games, we have an additional person, so
Okay.
we can assist him.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
That's one with at the back side of the restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
And additionally, we have a spa,
Okay.
massage and spa. That's over here.
Oh. Okay.
Spa. That's additional charge.
Okay. Okay.
Additional charges.
Yeah.
For food massage, head massage for ladies, it's a this is a conference room.
Oh. Okay.
Inside the conference room, we have indoor games.
Oh. Okay.
Indoor games. Okay. And your room is above the restaurant.
Mm-hmm. That top one. Okay.
And you have a hill view over there.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. That's right. I think you have two more type of room, right? One is cottage type of room, and one is garden view.
This is the garden view.
Oh. Okay.
Villas.
Yeah.
This is the villa rooms. We have 10 villas. In that 10 villas. In that 20 rooms. The terrace 10 and
Oh. Okay. Garden ten.
4 view and 4 road and cottage.
Okay. In MMT, I didn't see that cottage. I thought that that's the Hillview room actually.
Use this one.
Okay.
So, additionally, this cost me premium version. That's the reason.
Okay. We are going to our room now. That's a Hillview room. That's the second floor. You can see. There's some seating area, relax area, I think. The resort looks neat and clean. I'm liking it. And that's the view. This is the corridor. That's the view. That's the mind-boggling view. The resort is really neat and clean. We'll go inside the room. We'll give you a short room tour now. That's our room, and that's a sofa, almirah. We'll go inside the restroom. That's a full mirror. Bathing area. Pretty neat and clean. Great stuff. I don't see AC in this room. I particularly choose Hillview room just because the view is really awesome. You can see the view from the bed. You can see the view. And there should be a balcony. Let's go to the balcony. Yeah, that's the balcony. You can see. Wow, what a mesmerizing view here. To seating area. Oh yeah, and the desk, work desk, telephone, TV unit, some snacks they have given, cheese, these are complimentary, and 2 water bottles. So stay tuned, guys. We're going for lunch now. Let's see what are the buffet items they have. This is the restaurant. Pretty neat and clean. And that's the view from the restaurant. You can see what are the items available at this moment. These are salads. Paneer butter masala. Aloo gobi. This is jeera rice. White rice. Dal butter fry. This is tomato pepper rasam, coconut paisam. This is a non-veg item, chicken korma, fish fry, and fruits. There are some desserts. Hey guys, this is our lunch table. We have taken everything together and we are eating slowly. So the food is tasty, definitely it's tasty. The fish is tasty, and the most important, the view. So I have taken some naan after that. Hey guys, we just finished our lunch and we will be roaming around here and there. That's, you see, that's the restaurant. There actually we had our lunch, and this side is the coffee state. We are going inside the coffee state and there are some activities. So those are rope. These are the coffee states. See the coffee beans, that's the green coffee beans, the young coffee beans are there. It will ripe in November, I think, I guess. Yeah, everywhere this is the entire coffee state. And you see there are pepper trees also. These are pepper. It's pretty big, it's not like a small coffee state. So we are just roaming around. You can see this side. These are the cottages, and the ground floor, those are garden view villas, and the above one, that's the premium cottages. I too. These are cottages, and those are the magnificent view of this resort. This is the spa, I think they have spa. We saw some lemon trees and orange Mosombi, that is. This way, I think, swimming pool. You can just sit back and relax here. Swings are there. Good evening, guys. We are just roaming around. Such an awesome view, guys. Look at this. Clouds are all over the sky and the mountains. What a view. We just had our tea and some snacks. This is the indoor game area. Let's see what's there inside. I can see a table tennis board, table tennis, chess, caroms. We are just roaming around inside this property. It's a 5-acre property. Look at this view, guys. This is inside the coffee estate, and this is so amazing, so calm here. Look at this road. Hey guys, this is 7:15. So this is amazing. The resort is amazing, really amazing. I mean, with this tariff and all, if you consider, this resort is really amazing. Look at this. The lighting is really good. There you can see the reception. Hey guys, I come for the dinner. Salads, chips, sweet corn veg soup, bean kurkure, loki masala, curry veg, paneer fried rice, dal lasoni, rasam, fruit kheer, raita. This is a non-veg item. This is chili chicken, tile chicken, chicken biryani, and fruits, some desserts. Good morning, Chikmaglur. This is around 7 o'clock, and look at this morning. The morning is really good. Hey guys, this is our breakfast table. You can see omelette, dosa. That's the view. This is around 9 o'clock, and we are just enjoying this beauty. We will check out after some times. The morning is really good. The sun is shining. Hey guys, we'll check out from this hotel at this moment, the Blossom Resort, and the stay was really good. We enjoyed the stay, the food, and the view. That's mind-boggling view you can see from the room. This is a hill view room, and this takes 7,156 plus 383 rupees taxes and services. Apart from that, we got some ICICI Bank credit card offer, so that's included. So it's around 7,400. It's worth of this view. We got lunch, dinner, and breakfast, all the meals. So food quality, it's okay. It's not really good, not outstanding, but it's good. And they have plenty of items for dinner. They have plenty of items for veg and non-veg, for breakfast also. So and the room is pretty neat and clean, not outstanding, but it's pretty neat and clean on this price. I think this in Chikmaglur, this is one of the good hotel. I can recommend that. So this Hillview room have this view, and all those cottages, whatever you are seeing, these cottages. So those are garden view, the ground floor. The top floor is the cottages. So these are price is little higher. I think that's around 10,000. But what I feel is like the Hillview room has good view for this hotel. Hospitality is really good, but one more thing, the Hillview room doesn't have the AC. I think that's why the price is at the lower side with this view. So I think you enjoy this journey, you enjoy this video. Hotel is pretty much big. It's 5 acre and 25 kilometers from Chikmaglur city. And yep, so stay tuned guys, follow our channel, give us a thumbs up, wait for the next video. Thank you guys for your support. We are leaving now. It's 9:30, and it will take around 5 hours 30 minutes to reach Bangalore.